All right, we begin with a live look from our camera at Luther Family Ford. That's along I-29 there at the 32nd Avenue exit. Things very quiet, although still cloudy here in the FM area. Clouds help to keep us from getting cold too quickly, but it's only 16 degrees out there right now. Wind from the north-northwest is blowing at 7 miles per hour. It's chilly. Bundle up. Now, we've had flakes of snow drifting through our atmosphere almost all day here in the FM area, not amounting to much snowfall totals that we have to worry about shoveling, but just one of those gray kind of days where things are clearing out and where there's deeper snow on the ground. Woo! Look at this. Single-digit readings right now. You're not far from below zero in Langdon, 7 degrees in Cavalier, 13 in Thief River Falls. Now, Grand Forks to Thief River Falls, snow reports of about 2 inches. But in places of Nelson County and points north, anywhere where we have that 3 to 5 inches of fresh snow or more, I think you're going to get cold tonight. Really cold, as we will see with skies clearing. Now, here is the cold core of air. It's starting to shift off to the east of us. So the good news is there's warmer air going to be punching back in as we go through the next 24 hours. But as we take a look at the big picture, clear skies out in the big sky country of Montana, clouds, showers moving through the southern plains all the way into the Great Lakes. And behind that is a cold air that's spilling in, and it's been doing that all day here in the FM area. Now, we still have clouds across portions of Minnesota, and when you look at the radar here with me, you're not seeing snowfall, but I can tell you these clouds, well, they're pretty low to the ground, and that's where the flakes are forming, and they are falling out there. We do have some flurries across the map here, even though radar is not detecting them. The clear skies out to the west, that's where things will be coldest. When we turn the radar intensity down a little bit, we can actually see some of the flurries still flying around the southern valley. Here's your hour-by-hour forecast. Things clear out if you are heading out to try to take in a little bit of the meteor shower tonight. We should be clearing in most locations. The best chance of lingering clouds will be east of the Red River. Here's the deal. Overnight in these areas where we have that snow that's a little deeper, we're going to see temperatures drop down pretty cold. And as we get towards morning, our westernmost counties, I think we'll have a chance to start seeing temperatures rising back up. But if you are in the northern valley into northwest Minnesota, Roseau County, I think many of you could start out near zero for morning temperatures. Sometimes models don't handle this fresh snow very well. Temperatures here in the south, they'll be right at about 15 to 20 degrees to get your Friday started. Sunshine aplenty and temperatures going in the right direction. By your midday hour heading out for lunch, many of us in the low 20s, teens up north. Remember, when we have fresh snow on the ground, a lot of the sun's energy goes towards melting the snow. It gets reflected off the snow. So again, up north, I think we'll be cooler tomorrow with highs only in the mid-20s to around 30 degrees. Although Grand Forks, because you only have a couple of inches of snow, probably not that much of a problem. Tomorrow evening, southwest winds increase. That'll warm us up even more heading into your weekend. Now, here's your planner for Fargo. We start out near 20 degrees, temperatures rising, a lot of sun. We'll be back to the low 40-degree range as we go through our afternoon in Fargo, in Wahpeton, and in Oaks. 32 might be a stretch in places like Langdon and Cavalier where you're melting snow. Nelson County, same thing. You're going to struggle to get to 30 degrees. Likewise, we'll see some of those low 30s up in north central Minnesota. Look at this picture. This one uploaded by Mary from the Warren area. Definitely more of a wintry scene there, but the warmer weather is working its way in. 39 for Saturday. On Sunday, we warm to 43 degrees, and then heading into next week, we're watching a chance for a wintry system making its way through. Doesn't look like a big storm, but some wintry travel conditions will be possible for holiday travelers.
All right, thanks, Seth.